Okay, good morning. How are you all? Today we're going to speak about something is very important course for everyone. This course we call it ICDL. We know that the world now it's dealing with automation. We're dealing with technology. Everything become information technology. Because that everyone need to know everything about information technology. Now, this course, ICDL, or we said International Computer Driving License, this course contain a group or a number of subjects. We will talk about everyone as hence. For example, the standard edition of ICDL, there are 4 subjects. We have first one, we call it Computer Essential, and the second one, we call it Microsoft Word application, and the third one, it's Microsoft Excel, and the last one is Internet Essential. Actually, these 4 materials or subjects, we need to learn about it because it's very, very important in everywhere. We need to learn how to use internet, we need to learn what's the computer and what it's about and what we can find inside the computer and what's the operating systems. We need to know about Microsoft Word, why we need Microsoft Word and why we need Microsoft Excel. For example, now at this moment, I want to talk about some important or basic hints about Microsoft Word. Now, as you can see on the screen here, we have this application Microsoft Word, and we use this to process text. What this meaning? This meaning anyone need to type, anyone need to write letters, need to write faxes, researchers, articles, in anywhere and everywhere we need to type. Type is very important using computer or laptop. Now, as you see, this application, Microsoft Word, is the most important application that is used to process text or typing. Now, let's take a look about this program. You can see at the top here, this bar, we call it titles bar. Why we call it titles bar? Because usually we have 2 titles. We have the name of the application, Microsoft Word here, and here we have the name of the file. What's the meaning of the file? We know that anything should be saved in the computer in a file, because that here we have the name of the file. Now, next here we have this bar, we call it ribbon. And actually the ribbon bar contain all tools we need to use in Microsoft Word. And you can see that this ribbon, it's distributed into many categories. For example, you can see here we have this tab Home, and here we have this tab Insert, and Page Layout, and Extra. This is very, very important bar because this ribbon bar containing all tools you need to use in Microsoft Word. And if you want to minimize this ribbon, you can click on this button, one click. You can see that this ribbon is minimized. And anytime you want to show it again, you can go again on the same button and click again. Then you will see the ribbon. Okay. Down here, you can see this bar, we call it status bar. And this status bar gives us some hints or information about our file. Let's see one example. For example, here we can see page 1 of 1. What this meaning? Page 1 of 1, this actually tell me that I am in page number 1. In the total pages 1, because this is a new file and we have only 1 page. Because that we are in the first page and the total pages is 1. And here you can see like it's a counter for the words you have been write here in the file. Now, because we did not write any single word till now, you can see that this counter, it said it's 0 words. There are no words. And At the right side here down, we can see this area, we call it zoom area. And this zoom area help us to zoom in and zoom out. And we all know what's the meaning of zoom in and zoom out. For example, if I want this file to be a little bit close to me and see, and I want to see more details, I need to zoom in by click on this plus button. You see that now? And anytime you want to zoom out, this means you want to make it a little far and you want to see your pages as small, you can click on minus, then you will zoom out your file. Okay? And this is another evidence that we have one page. You can see when I zoom out my file, you can see there's one page. If there are a lot of pages or more than one page, we will see it here. But now, because this is a new file, we have only one page. Okay? Done. Thank you.